KPI Green Energy Limited achieves early commissioning in GUVNL solar project. KPI Green Energy Limited has achieved an important early milestone in its ongoing grid-connected solar IPP project awarded by Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. The company has successfully commissioned the first 24.2 MW AC, equivalent to 34.4 MW DC capacity, significantly ahead of the project's overall contractual schedule. This project is part of a larger 250 MW AC, a 350 MW DC solar photovoltaic project secured by KPI Green Energy through a competitive bidding process under GUVNL's Phase 24 solar tender. The project was awarded in March 2024 and is designed to contribute meaningfully to India's expanding renewable energy capacity. What stands out in this update is the timing. While the contractual deadline for full completion extends until October 2026, KPI Green has already begun commissioning capacity much earlier than required. This reflects disciplined project planning, strong execution capabilities, and efficient coordination across engineering, procurement, and construction. Early commissioning not only reduces execution risk but also improves visibility on cash flows and operational performance. For investors, this is an important indicator of how efficiently the company converts its order book into operational assets. The company has indicated that the remaining capacity of the project is expected to progress at a similar pace. KPI Green plans to maintain high standards of quality, efficiency, and safety across the balance execution, ensuring adherence to both technical and regulatory benchmarks. This milestone also highlights KPI Green Energy's growing credibility as a renewable IPP developer. Delivering capacity ahead of schedule strengthens its track record with state utilities like GUVNL and improves competitiveness in future bidding opportunities. From a sector perspective, projects like these align closely with India's broader clean energy transition. As the country accelerates toward high solar and renewable penetration, timely execution of large-scale projects becomes critical for meeting national energy targets. KPI Green Energy continues to position itself as a focused renewable energy player with execution-led growth. The early commissioning of this solar capacity demonstrates operational strength and supports confidence in the company's ability to deliver large projects reliably. Overall, this development is a positive operational update, reinforcing KPI Green Energy's execution capabilities and long-term growth visibility in India's fast-expanding renewable energy landscape. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.